Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a rare development. This is a 4-unit prime centrally located development with 4 single detached units here in Mandaluyong City near Shaw Boulevard with fast access towards San Juan and Wilson Street. So right now we're going to take a look at one of the 4 units of this development. This property has a total floor area of 430 square meters and a lot area of 156 square meters. Now join us as we begin this tour. So the property has a very impactful modern facade with 4 levels as well. And you have a spacious covered carport for 4 vehicles. So you can easily have even 4 sports utility vehicles here. And you have access here towards the 2nd level of the property, but we'll explore this area a bit later. Right now, let's head on up towards your elevated main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. And now we're here at the ground level of the property where you have access to an elevator, which will allow you to transport yourself and guests and family members all the way to the 4th level of the property. And from here, you immediately have the first room in the house. So this is a multi-purpose room, and the first thing that you notice is that beautiful narrow wood flooring. And you also have built-in cabinetry. And if you'd like to use this room as a bedroom, it also has an ensuite bathroom. With elegant lighting, floor-to-ceiling tiling, and of course, a large window here for ventilation and lighting. And you also have an access door here towards the side of the house. Towards the driveway area, just as an additional access point. Now let's head on up. And you also have that beautiful natural wood flooring for the staircase. Let's go. Welcome to the 2nd level of this property. And you have such an open main amenity area with your living and dining area. Let's begin with your living space. You have cove lighting here, so much natural light, and you already have 2 split type Samsung branded air conditioning units. And you can easily have a large living room set right here. And from your living area, let's now take a look at your dining space. Your dining area is large enough to accommodate a table for 8 up to 10 people, depending on the orientation of the table. Once again, you have that cove lighting, giving an elegant feel for the entire space. And from this angle, you can further appreciate how spacious your amenity area is. In addition, you also have a balcony space right here and a sturdy screen as well if you'd like to have additional ventilation for the area. Now, this is a nice additional balcony space for your dining area. And it's overlooking the driveway of the development as well. And you can even have a view of the street area outside the development. Let's head on in. Now we're back here and let's take a look at your modern kitchen. It has a very nice aesthetic which blends very well with the feel of the entire property. You have a Kitchen branded stainless steel range hood over the provision for your oven and cooktop. You also already have a stainless steel sink right here and a 2-level countertop. So this makes for a great view, especially if you're entertaining guests. Imagine having your dining table right here and you have family and friends over and you're having such nice conversations and creating beautiful memories in this area. And I like how easy the kitchen area is in terms of navigation. You can have your large refrigerator on this side. And on top of your main kitchen, you also have an auxiliary kitchen space. So I love how the designers were able to maximize this area. You can have a second large oven right here over another Kitchen branded range hood. And there's even a provision here if you want to put a second refrigerator. So you can have a completely different meal preparation area right here. And in terms of convenience, this room already has access towards the parking area. And you also have a stainless steel water tank right here for additional water supply. And let's take a quick look downstairs. Let's go. And now we're back here in your parking area. And you can see how convenient this staircase is. If you have some groceries that you need to bring up to the kitchen, you can immediately bring them through here without taking them through the main entry. And in addition, you have a heavy wash sink right here and 2 staff rooms. So you have the first staff room right here. So I'm gonna walk in just so you can see the space. And it has its own bathroom as well. And you have a driver's room right here, which also has its own bathroom. And now let's head on up towards the second level. And now we're back here in your auxiliary kitchen space and back towards your main kitchen. And very conveniently beside your dining and living space, you have your powder room. With a very elegant finish as well. With that indirect lighting underneath the mirror. And now, let's head on up towards the third level. Let's go. I just want to point out that this is a nice aspect of the design, having these windows all along the staircase. So this gives a feeling of openness as you go through the stairs and also allows for additional ventilation and light. But at the same time, your privacy isn't compromised. And if you want further privacy, you can even put additional blinds here. Welcome to the third level of this property. And you can see right here, along the hallway, you have very convenient access towards your elevator. And now let's explore the second room in the house, which is your primary or master bedroom. terms of the size, you can very easily have a king-sized bed on this side of the room or this side of the room, and you can have a desk here so you can very comfortably work from home, or even have additional storage right here. And you also have your own balcony for the primary bedroom right here. And it's time to explore your primary bedroom's walk-in closet space and bathroom. Nice. So you see that you have so much storage. Lining the entire wall right here, and even on the other side, and a nice dresser space with a large mirror. And on the other side, you have your master bathroom. And I love the size of this space. It feels very elegant, and at the same time, you have a freestanding Bravat branded bathtub. And I love the design of the tiling here. It's a great contrast to the white walls of the rooms of the property. And you have a beautiful dual vanity sink space right here. And this even opens up for additional storage. Okay. And then of course, you have your tempered glass shower enclosure right here. And I like that it's even covered all the way up there. And it's time to take a look at your third bedroom. So this is an almost square-shaped room. And what stands out for this particular room is the amount of storage right here. And it's already set up so you can have a television set on this side. And it has its own ensuite bath. Once again, with a very hotel-like finish in terms of the lighting. With a very minimalist and modern feel. And I'd also like to point out the height of the doors. So I'm approximately 5'10". So this is a significant door height, which is also important, especially if you're bringing in and out large appliances and furniture. And here we go towards the fourth level of the property. Once again, you have these windows lighting up your staircase. And of course, natural wood railings. Now we're here at the fourth level of the property, the top level. And you have a surprise here in terms of an additional amenity space. So you already have your living space, and then you have a family den area right here. Having friends over or even business associates and having a meeting in your main amenity level, and then right here you have your family lounging and relaxing. And even if you have family gatherings or reunions, you can have different family groups in different areas of the house. At the same time, this is also a great play area or even a study area for your family. And you have so much natural light with large windows on two sides and this sliding door leading to the fourth room in the house. So this can be a fourth room, or you can make this another entertainment area. It's up to you. That's why you have this sliding door, but at the same time you can still have curtains placed here for additional privacy if you want to really keep this as a bedroom. But we're considering this a fourth bedroom because of the partitions. And you already have a Samsung branded split type air conditioning unit for this area as well, and for the den family area. And being a potential fourth bedroom, you also have an ensuite bathroom right here. Once again with that indirect lighting and quality finishes. And this fourth room also has additional storage. And another aspect that wraps up this fourth level of the property is the shared balcony between the fourth bedroom and the den area. Let's take a quick look. And as we step out here, you see that this balcony space for the fourth room is connected to the balcony space of the den area. And it's also completely covered. So you can imagine just lounging and relaxing here with a small table and a couple of chairs as a great additional area to relax on top of your amenity spaces. And so far we've explored 4 rooms in the house, the main amenity area with the living and dining and kitchen space, and then your family den room. And here you have your 5th bedroom. And I love the room sizes in this property because you can even have a queen size bed here with plenty of storage. This is similar to the 3rd bedroom beside the master bedroom in terms of the layout. And it also has an ensuite bathroom. And floor to ceiling tiling. And I like that they even use such a large mirror for the bathrooms. Let's head back here. And that caps off our house tour of this beautiful brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this brand new 5-bedroom single detached house and lot for sale in an exclusive 4-unit prime centrally located development here in Mandaluyong City, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.